Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2008 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ V6. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Malibu. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Independence Motors in Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's get started up, let it run, just make sure it's locked, and hold the button. And it's as simple as that. It's the red jewel tint coat exterior with two-tone cocoa and light neutral leather interior. It's only got 11,000 original miles. Very nice. It's got a full leather-wrapped steering wheel, nice and smooth, with side bolster extensions. The Malibu comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability by the paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel. And let's go ahead and cut on the headlights. They are automatic lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. So let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? Standard halogen headlamps. Chrome accented fog lamps and mesh grille standard on the LTZ. Beautiful high gloss paint finish. Straight side panels with integrated chrome rockers, LED turn signal indicators, as well as these 18-inch polished aluminum alloy wheels standard on the LTZ package. Chrome around the windows, full power sunroof. LED tail lamps. Dual exhaust. Your angular squared off rear end. Unique design cue to the Malibu with chrome accent license plate surround. Go ahead and pop the hood. The Malibu V6 is powered by GM's 3.6 liter dual overhead cam V6. 24 valve with variable valve timing produces 252 horsepower at 6,300 RPM and 251 foot-pounds of torque at only 3,200 RPM. It is front-wheel drive with a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension with front and rear stabilizer bars. And with its 16-gallon fuel tank running on regular unleaded gas, it achieves an EPA estimated fuel economy rating of 17 city, 26 highway. As far as the interior of the Malibu, it's quite uniquely styled, very curvaceous, with nice color contrast accenting. Your two-tone door paneling, with modest wood accenting running across the doors, as well as curving around the dash here, meeting flat in the middle, and then going back around. Lower storage and cup holder, power trunk release, power locks, power windows, power mirrors are located up on the stalk here. You also have little blue LED accent lighting in the door handles, matching the interior ambient lighting color scheme. As far as the driver's seat, it's fully powered, leather wrapped with a two-tone leather and color contrast piping running around the edges, with side airbags. There's your power adjustments down below, 2-stage heated seats, nice amount of side bolstering, pretty good amount of comfort and decent handling, aluminum door sills, logoed floor mats, as well as a manually tilting telescoping steering wheel. And let's go and see how she sounds. Very unique engine note, nice and smooth. And we're going to shut her up. You have your automatic climate control down below. You can also see your calm ambient blue interior lighting as it's getting dark. Front defrost, automatic mode, rear defrost, recycling, vent, AC, and your temperature. Your standard audio system for the Malibu with in-dash CD player and standard XM satellite radio. And you can see the curvature of the dash here, what I was mentioning about earlier. Side curtain airbags. You also have your OnStar built into the mirror. Storage. You have your preset stations here. System menu. Speed compensated volume. Audio adjustments. You can also select it through here. Also preset equalizer settings. Seek, rewind, fast forward, integrated auxiliary input into the radio unit. A little bit of storage, power outlet. Very clean, smooth center console. Cup holders with minor storage. Leather stitched center console, 2-tier. With a good amount of storage space. Garage home link located up above. In your interior lighting, you also have your microphone here for your hands-free Bluetooth telephone system. You have your intermittent wipers, your lighting controls, cruise control, and radio controls in your steering wheel with your radio mute for your telephone. Fog light control, display brightness, as well as your power pedal adjust. Very nice. Nicely well-equipped car. Shut this off. You also have your song data activated here. So let's go and check out the back seat. You have a pretty good amount of rear seat room in the Malibu. Same color accented paneling comes along back here as well. Back seats also fold. Just pull this little strap, then bring the seats down. It's also an all-weather cover on the back to prevent you from damaging the back seat. Increase the amount of things that you can load up in the back. Like I said, there's plenty of room in the back, several inches of leg space, and the back seats are actually dished out here, so you have more space for taller passengers. Little cargo net here, AC power outlet, as well as your standard 12-volt cup holders. See your adjustable seat belts, coat hooks. Interior illumination. And your side curtain airbags to the rear. Alrighty. Let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle. You do have plenty of trunk space in the Malibu. Nice wide opening. Extends far and back. With the logo trunk mat. Side storage pockets. With mesh holdings. It's an absolutely gorgeous color, especially at night. Gives off a nice metallic-y bronze color. It's getting a little bit dark for this side, but pretty much saw the basics from when I toured the other side of the vehicle. The passenger seat is power sliding and tilting with manual recline, also with heat. Logoed floor mat. Good sized glove box. Very nice. It's a comfortable car with all of the basic standard as well as some extra luxurious features. Styling cues are part of the LTZ package, and overall, a nice amount of interior room and trunk space. Quite a lot of value for your dollar. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour. As it's now getting dark, of this 2006 Chevrolet Malibu V6 LTZ. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.